Let's understand the user requirements for our project in details. Our client is Evergreen Books Company, which is a large book retailer operating many bookshops scattered throughout the country. Normally, the customer go to a bookshop, look for books on the bookshelf, pick the books they want to buy, and make payment to a cashier. Now, with the popularity of the internet and customers' habit is changing from offline to online, the company decides that it needs to be a website that allows the customer to purchase books online while sitting from home, making more convenient experience for their customers. The company also needs their employees to be able to manage related data centrally using the website, making more efficient management. Typically, a customer visits the website, searches and chooses the book he or she wants to buy, and places the order. The company